A new political party, Original ZAPU, has been formed and is scheduled to be officially launched tomorrow, meaning today, in Bulawayo at the small city hall. Sandapina mashoko anobuda nyoko panguva ine arikunzi aiwa there is a new political party yoformiwa munyika yeZimbabwe nokuwa subscriber wale got on the bell yakuti ipinda panapa pane this party iri kunzi this is the ZANU-PF light loading vanobuda vanyora vachiti the interim president of Original ZAPU, Matthews Vanderhilt, this during Dumiso Davengwa Memorial Service in Tabazintuna. In quotes, we are now registered with the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission and we are working hard towards reviving ZAPU following the handing over of the party to an individual who has failed to build the party, said Sevanda. Stylish Magida said that they are working hard to restore the gains of independence and revive the economy. Zimbabwe's glory is slowly diminishing in the hands of a single person who is oppressing citizens and appointing his children to higher government positions, said Magida. Ngululeko Lovu, a villager in Ndabazinduna, said that they no longer feel like Zimbabweans. I stay here in Ndabazinduna, but the government has neglected us, Lovu said. Wakomezi vanopinda vachiti ZANU light loading vanopinda vachiti the original opposition will be launched in Silovela community soon. Vanopinda vachiti I like small political parties, they are launched in small city halls. Vanopinda vachiti it's good because currently there is no opposition. Ndomwe zvinobuda chinonga panguva ine nemapictures emaleaders acho where the new count the original ZAPU yafomewa. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ine tiri kuona these are voices ari kuraisa ari against the regime. Ari kuona kunzi these are kind of opposition ari kuresista the Mnangagwa rule inonga kunzi aiwa iri kusapota nepotism necronism corruption panapa nestate capture. Ngotidza mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi wapinda comment section medu muzamafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.